Hello everyone, welcome to 24 NEET. In this video, we will talk about angle of friction and angle of repose. I'll try to tell you in the easiest way. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, we will talk about angle of friction. So there is a block having mass m, weight mg, normal reaction r, force F, limiting friction Fl, coefficient of friction mu. So the angle which is the resultant of limiting friction and the normal reaction, the resultant of the limiting friction and the normal reaction and mix with the normal reaction. This is the angle of friction. Tan theta is equal to Fl upon R. We know that F is equal to mu R. We put the value of L here and then tan theta is equal to mu R upon R. Tan theta is equal to mu, that is the coefficient of friction. The tangent of angle of friction is equal to coefficient of static friction. Tan theta is equal to mu. Theta is equal to tan inverse mu. Hope you understand this angle of friction. Now we'll go to the next topic. Now we are talking about angle of repose. The angle of the inclined plane with the horizontal such that a body placed on it is just beginning to move. Means body is at rest but it just start to slide. Okay, so there is an inclined plane and this is the horizontal and this is the angle alpha. So the angle of the inclined plane with the horizontal such that a body placed on it just begin to move, this is called angle of repose. As we know, the weight mg, because of this mg, reaction force, normal reaction, and this mg cos alpha, this is mg sin alpha, limiting friction. So Fl upon R is equal to mg sin alpha, because in opposite to the limiting friction mg sin alpha acts, and R mg cos alpha. Fl upon R is equal to tan alpha. Sin alpha upon cos alpha is equal to tan alpha. As we know that tan theta is equal to FL upon R is equal to mu. We find the tan alpha is equal to FL upon R, or we can say that FL upon R is equal to tan alpha is equal to, we put the value of FL, tan alpha is equal to tan theta, alpha is equal to theta. So by this we can say angle of repose is equal to angle of friction, alpha is equal to theta. In this video, I am trying my best to serve you the simplest way to solving the physics problems. I already made 2 videos on friction. You can watch this from there by clicking on the video. We will meet with another topic in my next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.